working of the stove and the vent. So let's turn it off. To get the light to go on, you hit this one. It has a light button on and then off. These are 20 watts halogen lights, so they're actually hot. In the cabinet here holds 2 watts of LEDs, and you can put them in. Now you got the rest of these buttons here. We have a timer button, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these are the speeds. So we want to turn on the speed. We're going to hit the timer button, and then you can hit the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So now at the 4, if you want the timer to come on, what you do is hit this once more. It starts flashing to 3, and a little bit of flash 2, then a little bit of flash 1, and then finally it'll turn off. So that's that. If you want to shut it down right now, you just hit this and it'll shut down. And now for the stove, each one of these are slightly different power setting, as in like BTU and like how strong it can be. This one's the weak one. This one's the next up. And out of these two, I think it's a tie. I don't know which one's stronger. But they're all working right now. So let's say we turn these off, turn this off, turn this off, and turn this off. And let's make this more quiet and turn it off. So now we want this one to light, or this is in the rear. We go until it says light, and then voila, it's on. And then we go until it says light, and then it's on. And then now turn it on, and then to the light, and then turn it on. And then this is high. Alright, so the stove works. This is kind of looking kind of messy because there is a plastic film here that we need to pull out and it'll look nicer. And that's it.